Alright, I'm Mannion, and this is Mike Misner, and this is our project on the physics of golf. Mass is one of the top things that affects the golf ball. If you hit a basketball, as Mike will show you, it does not go as far as when you hit a golf ball, because the golf ball has less mass. The nipples on the golf ball, as you can see here, all affect the air resistance, the speed, and the rotation. When you hit the golf ball, it will travel in whichever direction your momentum will take it. The distance also depends on the force and energy acted on it. The distance can also depend on the angle measure of the club. I will show you. This is a 7 iron, and this is a driver. They are a lot different. The distance can also depend on the stance. Your stance can determine the pitch, such as when you stand in front of the ball usually goes higher. He stood in the back of the ball, therefore it went straight out. The collision of the club to ball will send the ball flying through the air, and when the ball lands, it will either accelerate or decelerate depending on what type of grass it lands on. When it lands on the fairway, which is thinner grass, it has less friction and will roll farther. But when it happens and you get unlucky and it lands on the rough, it doesn't go nearly as far because the friction is greater in the rough. And the ball will quickly decelerate once it lands in the rough. And that is our project on the physics of golf. Yeah! Michael,